How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can fix your Messenger floating video call not working onto your device. So let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to long press on that app. After that, tap on this eye icon or go to app info. After that, I want you to go under permissions. And here, allow the permissions that I'm showing right now, like camera, files and media, microphone, phone. I want you to allow everything. Just allow only while using the app, or you may just allow any of the accesses. You may just give permissions by allowing. After that, I want you to get back, and this time just scroll down a bit, and here you will be able to see the appear on top option. I want you to enable this option. Just tap on this toggle option and it will be enabled. The next thing I want you to do is allow picture-in-picture, which is a very important feature which allows you to float your video call. For that, just tap on picture-in-picture and I want you to enable that option. And after that, after allowing this, I want you to get back and try video calling, and probably this method is going to work onto your device. So therefore, in this way, you can fix your Messenger floating video call not working on Android. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.